Hey there, Ray Byers Jr. with Byers Solatube. Today we're gonna look at this Solatube. We're gonna show you how to take the lid off, or the lens off, and how to clean it. So I'm just gonna grab a little step stool here and set that up for us. We're gonna take this guy, we're gonna position ourselves just underneath the tube itself. As you can tell, the lens itself doesn't have a whole lot of light coming through it, but there's light in the background. The reason why we have it nice and dark is we actually took a towel and covered over the lens so that we could have the camera be able to focus and not get drowned out with all the sunlight. So once we get up here, we're gonna go ahead and take the lens, twist it nice and easy, and it just pulls right off. Quite often you're gonna see folks talk about the fact that there'll be bugs inside here, different little critters. So you may get some infiltration of the critters and the bugs inside this lens. What we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna squirt a little bit of glass cleaner on there, wipe it down. I always tend to use a microfiber towel to wipe down. It seems to grab the dirt and dust a little bit easier. You can use virtually any Windex, window cleaning product, soapy water, and then we'll take this guy. You'll notice these tabs right inside here. So those tabs we're gonna try and secure into the different parts of the lens. So we're gonna pop back up here and secure that in. These decorative fixtures tend to be a little bit heavier as well. So you may, like I'm having a little bit of a difficulty right now, you may also experience the same thing, getting it lined up and then twist it on, and you're all done. I'm gonna run up on the roof real quick and take the towel that's on there off, and you're gonna see all that natural light come into this area. All right, so we brought some light in, and actually, right now it's a January day, not a tremendous amount of light, and I have a ton of trees around this property that we're at right now, which has given us a lot more shading than we normally have, but this is fantastic. Nice natural light coming right in.
That's Byers.